and healthy part of a girl's life. And when a teenager girl gets her first period, she often feels lot of trouble in managing the stains, and everyone has their own problems. So whether you are tired of ruining your bedding and dealing with unpredictable spotting, or just want added protection, the Evereve disposable period panties could be the solution you are looking for. When it comes to dealing with your periods, you have the choice of a wide range of products. Some people swear by pads or tampons, while others prefer menstrual cups. But the rise of period panties has created yet another choice. It is admittedly pretty great to not have to change your routine when you are bleeding, which makes you feel more comfortable. Of course, you wear underpants every other day of the month, and all you have to do during your periods is to pull on a pair of panties designed to help trap moisture and stop leakages. Using these panties can be a great alternative to pads and mesh underwears for managing postpartum bleeding. These are also great product for managing the leaking once your water breaks. Evereve's innovative Everlock technology gives you 360-degree all-round protection to prevent front, back and side leakage. It's a super absorbent cover, instantly lock overflow with 4 times absorption capacity than sanitary napkins. Its elasticity is also great as it shapes according to you and fits well. Evereve panties fits like regular panties as it combines panty and sanitary napkin in one. The material used in Evereve period panties is breathable, that makes it feel more feathery and cottony soft. Using them is even easier. Open the back and take out the panty from the disposable bag. Position the pink-lined waistband in the front and wear it like a normal underwear. You do not need to wear an underwear over it. To dispose the period panties, simply tear them off the sides and discard it by wrapping in the disposable bag. In this way, you can enjoy your stain-free periods with Evereve period panties. Evereve, the new age period protection. So girls, just go and grab one for yourself from the given link in the description box below. And do not forget to tell us about your experiences, that how you find it. So this is Divya from Tegonity Studio. See you soon in a very new video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.